We have an exceptionally nice 1955 Thunderbird Roadster. It does have the convertible top. It has the hard top. This thing's restored beautifully from the bottom up. I have all the documentation and receipts. It's a California car, 61 years of its life. I have pictures of it stripped to bare metal. It's a rust-free car. And it's pretty funny, the gentleman that owned the car, how particular he was. This whole first page is what type of fluids, what brand of fluids, what type of filters, right down to what you should torque the lug nuts to on the wheels. So very meticulous build book right here. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the information. Look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you find a price tag along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. We also have a Buy It Now button. If you see a car you really like, click the button. It just locks it in for you while you're thinking and talking to the salesman. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, both tops are off the car. Let's go for a spin. Again, California clean, rust-free car. We got lots of pictures showing it stripped down. I'm going to say it's probably better than it was new because they didn't fit that great when they were new. But this is absolutely straight. You know, it's a raven black car, so it shows everything, but this one is straight. The body line's real nice. This is what I mean about better than new. They did not fit like this at the factory. The doors always stuck out on the bottom. Shuts like a new car. Absolutely straight. No rust, no bubbles, no damage. Little crack, looks like a little hairline, or it looks like a little fingernail on the paint right there. We'll talk more about the paint, but the body is outstanding. The trunk lid lines up completely square and flush. I mean, spot on. The fuel door, straight, no damage. This is all in excellent shape. The skirts fit real nice. Yeah, look how nice that lines up beautifully. The rocker panel, no bubbles, no rust, no damage. The hood lines up. It has to line up all the way around, and it fits beautifully, straight. You know, it's a little muscle car back in the day. It's a functional hood scoop on there. So the body, I think, is one of the best Thunderbirds I've seen. I've seen them where, you know, there's shrinkage and the lead is popping and the doors don't fit or the hoods are hitting. This one's in excellent shape, the body. Painted raven black. It is polished smooth and glossy. Nope, that wipes off. There's going to be minor imperfection. Here's a little tiny, you know, chip right there. Here's a little imperfection right there. So, I mean, if you go looking for them like I am, you're going to find some minor flaws, but they will be minor. Here's a touch up on the edge of the door. I know the other door had a couple little chips touched up along the very edge. Here's like I don't know if it's like a bump from the inside. So minor imperfections, but beautiful. It's slick. It's shiny. Convertible top. It's an actual top, not one of those cheap reproductions made out of conduit material. This is an actual convertible top, and it does have the black canvas material, very rich black canvas, not vinyl. It's in excellent shape. This chrome and trim looks to be original. This is where you latch the top to, so it's a little nicked and scratched, but this is good. Door handles are real shiny. This is beautiful. This has been replaced or restored. The mirror looks like new. This is all sparkling like new. Windshield might be original, just very light little nicks and chips to let you know it's got some patina, but in really good shape. I personally would not change it. Rubber gasket's excellent. It is touched up right on the edge of the hood right here. Has the optional chrome eyebrows. I just went on the internet and I pulled up 55 T-Bird. Most of them do not have this. All this chrome up here, the bumpers were rechromed. They're not reproduction, they were rechromed. Another rare option are the road lamps that fit right in here. That was a Ford accessory, a very rare item. These look real nice. Correct antenna. The rims were powder coated, has the correct hubcaps in real nice shape, has Hankook radial tires, and it has the porta-wall wide white walls on there. They fit really good. They look nice on there. And we'll talk about the hardtop in a minute. The chrome back here is redone. The exhaust comes right out through the bumper like it's supposed to. I like the little cross flags. Reverse lights. So yeah, beautiful car. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. Okay, you're going to like what you see here. Now it opens very easily. Painted up real nice. Got the sticker. The latch is clean. Just very nice. The weather strip is soft. Obviously, it's got the complete plaid liner kit. Matches. It's real nice. But here's where it gets fun. Here's the lug wrench. He's got it strapped down with Velcro. He even put a rubber piece over it, over both ends, so it's not rattling around. Now there's the jack itself. He made this tool to pop the hubcap off with, and so you're not damaging it with a screwdriver. So completely clean, solid trunk. It has the cardboard liners and again, the mats and everything. Here's a picture of it stripped to bare metal. We'll post some of these on the website. Here's a box full of miscellaneous and magazines. This little strip here, this goes on the body when you put the convertible top so you don't scratch up the paint. So, I mean, if this isn't a fussy owner, I don't know what is. And the car reflects it too. It's a dialed in car. This thing just functions so nicely. The door jambs are real slick. Latches are real nice. Weather strips are real nice. Door panels are excellent. It's got power windows and power seat. It has a tachometer. Again, this is a sporty car. Machine turn trim. All this is very good. It doesn't look new, but I don't see anything wrong with it. The clock's a little funky. The little needles are repainted or something. It looks a little funky and it's not working. The interior light works. It's all got manuals in here. This is all nice. This heater control panel. Knobs look new. Has a retro stereo. Got nice carpet. It's an automatic. There was an option. The seat is re-cushioned, reupholstered. It's the correct two-tone upholstery. And then the convertible top stores behind the seat. I guess one person could do it, but it's kind of a two-person job. This whole thing swings out, and then you open it up, and it's all clean metal behind there. They've added seat belts. Another quirky thing, these did not come with visors. And he rigged up with magnets. He rigged up this visor. I'm not sure how he's got it working, but he made a visor for the car. Funny guy. Oh, the steering wheel horn ring. Normally these right here are broke off. People push on them. So that's all there. It looks good. And it's a telescopic wheel. You can actually turn this and the whole column slides in and out. So one of the disadvantages of a 1955 Thunderbird is Ford was still using 6-volt electrical. This one's had the 12-volt conversion, the big battery. Now has an alternator instead of a generator. It's going to start much quicker. Lights are brighter. So that's a nice improvement. It has a disconnect. The motor is a correct 292 motor. It's all rebuilt. You can see the correct glass fuel bowl, fuel lines. Fuel pump, everything looks fresh, correct. Has the engine dress-up kit. That's the chrome air cleaner and the aluminum valve covers. Also has power steering, which that whole system's new. And you see just how nice and clean. It is an upgraded aluminum radiator. I think it's a 6-blade fan. There's a Ford belt. All new hoses, they're the reproduction hoses and clamps, all new wiring harness under the hood. You can see the heater, the blower is all nice and clean, and the dipsticks and the plug wires are numbered. Look at that. That guy is very anal. Someone's going to get a really nice car. Now we got the hardtop right behind us, and it's restored in very nice shape. It's painted just as nice as the car. All the trim is in real nice shape. The rubber is nice and soft. And the white headliner is in excellent shape. The rear window is excellent. It's actually one of the better hardtops I've seen. A lot of people don't restore them because you don't use them that often. They just leave them in the garage. But this one's restored very well. And that sounds exactly how a 55 Thunderbird's supposed to sound. I said earlier, these are little sports cars. You got the two-seater with the hood scoop and a tachometer. Oh, is this thing smooth. So you got your headlights, and then you have the road lights down below. No clunks when you put it in gear. No burnouts with this one. It's too classy. So underneath the car is exceptionally clean as well. The floors look to be all original rust-free metal. They've been cleaned and sprayed with some black, so they look real nice. Frame's completely solid. The front end was all rebuilt. The steering and suspension, the whole power steering system, the steering box, the control valve, all that's been replaced. The bushings, gas shocks all around. Leaf springs in the back were replaced. So all of that is redone. The brake system was completely redone. New drums, new shoes. The fuel system was replaced, the tank and the straps. The dual exhaust looks like new. A nice big correct muffler, so it's nice and smooth and quiet. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It does have the oil filter conversion for the screw-on filter, make things easy. The Ford-O-Matic transmission was serviced. The drive shaft was rebuilt and balanced. The rear end was serviced. So everything under the car is clean, solid, proper, in place, the way it should be. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered to your driveway, how to get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to that YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.